All right. Well, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, Legacy family. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, everyone. I hope you're as excited to be here as I am today. For the YouTube people, you're going to hear other voices other than my own. Those are the members of the Legacy Wealth Society, the best trading community to be part of, because at the end of the day, we're getting real profits. With that being said, stay safe in the markets, and I hope you enjoy the session. Moose G, good morning, gentlemen. How are we doing today so far?
It's another beautiful day.
That it is. That it is. I am excited to trade today. Um, we're gonna make some money today, so I'm just excited for that.
Yes, sir, we are.
I have to trade a lot of accounts today, so we'll take
What a
it. Not
problem
not
to
complaining,
have,
not complaining. What was that?
What a problem to have.
Well, I got more context on why my Apex I got denied by Apex last week. So I'm still going to trade with them because now I know how to beat their system. Because like I always say, all these platforms have different rules, all that stuff that we had to learn to beat their system, so to speak. And theirs is sneaky. There's something that they don't tell people about, and that's why people get denied. So they ain't pulling it over me again. I'll tell you that one. We did have a push up for the overnight session. We're back up here, 24,887 currently. We got all the way up there to the 24,909. Mind you, all-time highs were just above 25,000, so we may continue pushing. We're below this pivot point currently, but we are above the VWAP. So
where's the VWAP at right now?
VWAP is all the way down there at 842. 842 for the VWAP.
Way above that.
And let's see where the close from yesterday was at. Not yesterday, Friday. All right, close from Friday is 726. So 726 for the close for Friday. So well above that currently. I want to see some good moves. If we have some good momentum at open, I will take a trade on my Apex account. But we'll see how everything flows today. David's supposed to be getting on today. Let's see if he actually gets on here.
Hey, where's Steve?
He should be jumping on. I know, like, something, he said something about his birthday, everything like that. So he may be popping in and out this week. Okay. But we'll know, give him about another like 3 minutes. That's normally when he gets on. So
got it.
Trying to get another payout from Tradeify this week. I had to make, well, I got to put in like $2,000 over the next 5 days here to request a payout on Friday. And I did put a request in on Friday from Tradeify, and they did pay. I did receive it on Saturday, but I put it in late Friday evening, got it Saturday, no complaints there. So since this is one of those tricky spots where it's like we've been pushing up for this overnight session, but we have to close all the way down in the 700 level, in the 700. So it's like, do we push down and maybe keep going up, or are we just going to start to rip right at market open? Decisions, man. What do you guys think? You think we're going up or down at market open today?
I think we're gonna go up.
Yeah.
What you mean, like the volume? Trade the volume. It might drop a little bit, but I think overall we're gonna go up.
Okay. I can see that.
I think that it has to come down to touch the
Yeah.
VWAP on the
Yep.
at least for the for market opening,
Mm-hmm.
and then it should jump back up. Overall, I believe it should go up.
I'm in agreement with that. I do feel like we gotta come down somewhat to potentially keep pushing up. We got that pivot point right above us, 892 area. Let's see what we get at market open. Like I said, either way, I'm probably going to take a trade on my Apex account before the first 15. Then at the 15 minutes, then I'll trade my Tradeify accounts.
Right
Yeah.
on.
Good morning,
there he
sir.
is.
Well, I was waiting and nobody said what's up, so I was just
Yeah,
chilling.
but what's up? We were asking about you.
Yeah, that they were. They're like, "Where's Steve?"
We was just talking about you earlier, sucker.
Jive turkey.
Yeah, sucker. That's the best. Listen, you got to patent that.
Oh, you like a little downtrend
I
right
found
there.
my house over the weekend as well, just so you guys know. So I'm not yellowing on these trades today, but the house is 14 million. So we gotta get there.
And you might have to up your contract size a little bit.
Just by a couple. Found this gorgeous property in South Florida. And it's like everything that I would want. You know what I'm saying? It's on 18 acres. It has its own man-made lake with a mile trail around it. The house itself has 28,000 square feet. So, gotta keep the dream alive. And we're starting to dip here. We got 3 minutes for market open. I would have really appreciated this dip to happen when the market did open, not before.
Dipping now.
I know, I don't like that. I really wish it waited. Really wish it waited for market open.
That's why. I mean, you're right. Because this would have been a nice drop, nice money maker right here.
So on my Tradeify accounts, I'm waiting the first 15. On my Apex, I will not wait the first 15.
You know, we're gonna have to have you at gunpoint because you gotta see your hands up. 'Cause we hear that a lot.
hands up.
Hands up. Hands are up. Please don't shoot.
But hey, don't be putting the keyboard down by your toes now.
Yeah.
That's just crazy. That's crazy. I found out the reason why I was denied by Apex. They have a sneaky little rule that I did not know about. But now I know how to beat their system.
So what was the rule?
I'll get into it after market opens here because my bad, hands up, my bad. Okay, so the rule is I already had the money in the account, so for the 8 days I was simply flipping the account. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But by doing that, you can't request the max payout. But they don't tell people that. If you flip, you have to request the minimum payout. And then on your next payout, you can request the max again.
Oh god. So yeah,
But-
they're just we're gonna hit the VWAP, baby.
But the whole thing is, like, say I put in the amount that I requested, it would have been paid. They just don't want you flipping and then trying to get the max payout when you didn't add to the account.
All right,
Yeah,
market's open.
Here we go.
Market's open. Market is open. We did not tap that VWAP. Want to see some good moves? What was that? I closed that. I gotta turn that off. I had it copied trading on an eval, and that bad boy just messes completely up. It froze. Let me turn that off. All right.
Oh, gotta get out. Gotta get out because it's gonna.
So far for this open range, very tight, very tight. No real big movement yet. Getting ready to go up there and tap that 21 EMA. Just tapped it.
Yeah, my EMA is like right at 83.
Okay, yep. Same here. So we're in sync today.
Good, because I like to ask, because you're like, it's about to hit, and I'm like, it's already went through it. You know, it's like, oh, mine just off.
Well, the 2 minute, sometimes it's slightly different.
Oh yeah. No, I always for reference, I usually am looking at the 2 minute for that.
Yeah.
It's like the but still.
That's over that 21 EMA. Well, was.
Let me double check. I didn't see any real news coming out today, but I'll verify.
I heard Trump's talking today though.
But that's later.
So did you go to South Florida to see the house, or you just saw it online?
I saw it online. There's this realtor I follow who's a big realtor in South Florida.
Oh,
And he's the agent for it. All right, so no news today.
Tomorrow is news.
Yep. Tomorrow at 10 o'clock. Let's see what we get. Try and make a couple dollars a day. Just a couple.
Hello, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. How y'all doing?
Good
All
morning.
right.
We're good. How about yourself, David?
I've been working.
Well, welcome to the stream. Welcome back, sir. And welcome to the
Yeah.
people on YouTube as well.
I know it's been long.
Yeah, we know you're over the road, so we don't take anything personal.
One second, guys.
Yeah, you're good. For the people on YouTube, if you want to join the community, I'm giving away this week 20 free memberships to the community because we crossed over 50,000 views. So if you want to join, in this chat, say me, and I will tell you the code so you can gain access. Waiting for this to play out. Looks like a slight bear flag right here. Let's see if we get the momentum with it. Tons of selling pressure right now. All right, nope. Buyers stepped in there. Are the Bears going to have enough to push it down? So no news Monday, so expect it to be kind of choppy a day.
Ooh, look like it's about to touch that 892 pivot point.
Yeah, we just tapped it. Closed at 200, only got 45 bucks off of that. Little tap there. Right around this 21 EMA as well.
Hanging out. I went to get coffee, and of course, it ran up and hit that pivot point.
Not getting the move. I clicked it. I may have to reset my trading computer because it's lagging. And I don't like that. I don't like that. Still lots of selling pressure up here. But we got that pivot point right above us. We're hanging out this 21 EMA.
I'm feeling like a little downtrend that's gonna happen.
Well, we have the selling pressure. I just want to see the follow through with the momentum here. We may start getting it right there. Let me hurry up and draw it.
Throw it, throw it.
I did. I drew it. Wow. Done trading these Apex accounts. Not getting the move I want. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy.
Great, great.
5 more minutes till we see that 50-minute. Get that 50-minute part.
Yes.
Hands
sir.
up. I'm done. I'm done. This bad boy just chopped right now. So,
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in today. We'll be back at tomorrow at 9:20. Thank you.
I don't know. Now it's shooting up. So you want I did expect it to go down, but
I ain't trusting it. Because as it sits right now, our opening range so far, less than 50 points.
Yeah. I mean, it's tiny.
So that's a tight range. Like, we've literally just been in this little zone right here for open so far. So just holding, just waiting. Welcome to the stream on YouTube. If you want to join the community, I'm giving away 20 free memberships this week. If you want to join the best trading community with the best people and getting the best results, say me in the chat and I'll tell you the code, and you could go to the website in my bio on YouTube, put it in, it'll give you 100% access for free. All right, right back to that pivot point. Let's see how we act up here. Let's see if we start pushing above it potentially. But we've had a lot of selling pressure, so. All right, above that pivot point now, like a rocket ship there. Wow. Woof. All right. I got less than 2 minutes left to be able to trade my Tradeify accounts. Waiting till 9:45.
Waiting, anticipating.
Yep. I'll take the riskier trades on the Apex stuff, but not my Tradeify, since they pay faster.
Yeah. It just seems like the one that like creates so many things, so it's like a gotcha. You know, it's like a carnival game where they change the size of the rims, so you're trying to throw a free throw.
Yeah, and what's crazy is, like, say you trade perfectly for the 8 day, like when you get denied, you have to trade for another 8 days. Say you flip all those 8 days and you don't request the amount you made in those 8 days and you do the max, then they looked at the previous payout window to see if you broke any rules. So they're looking at 16 days, not 8 days.
Yeah, well, because there's somebody there that's trying to not to pay anybody.
No, 100%.
I'm waiting for you to do the video with the Macaulay Culkin face and be is Apex ripping me off? And then,
well, I was going to record one over the weekend, but I want to gather my thoughts on it, because now that I understand the rule, you know what I'm saying? Now I'll always be able to beat it. And that's what it is. You got to learn the quirks and the nuts and bolts to these prop firms so you could actually get paid by them.
Yeah, that's kind of everybody's goal. That's a good like safety tip.
All right, we're up here pushing. 9:45 is complete. Probably going to give it another minute here. Welcome to the YouTube stream. Giving out 20 free memberships this week to our trading community. So if you want to join, just say me. I'll drop you the code. I'll tell you the code, and you could go sign up for free. How's everyone feeling? Did everyone wait till the 9:45?
Yep.
More power to you. Proud of you.
We're all proud of each other. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, I haven't done anything because I saw it too high. I got scared.
I got scared.
I ain't gonna lie. Now I want to see a retrace.
Yeah, we're above this 15-minute range now. Want to see us pull back into it, and then we start to break out. That's what I'm currently looking for. All right, right back into that 15-minute right there. That's what we want to see. I really would like a nice little flag. Let's build some structure right here and take us higher. Popping up above that 15-minute right there. Want to see some more follow through. I did not get filled. There we go. Quick 360 right there in my Tradeify account. We'll take that. Done trading that one. Because I literally just had to put in like $250 a day for this week so I could get a 2K payout on Friday. So day one complete. There we go. Let's see if we pull back down into that 15 once again. There we go once again. We got that wick on that 2-minute candle, so the buyers are still stepping in. We're hovering right around that high of that 15-minute range so far. So let's see if the bulls start to push. We're stalling right in that little area right there. Starting to consolidate. If we don't push through right here, I'll probably close this trade real quick. Stalled once again. I'll close that. 160 on that trade right there. Not trying to hold it. I don't like this little price movement right here on the Renko bars. So, not going to push that one. There's the seller stepped in right away right there. That's what, right back to this little area with the Renkos where I was like not feeling it. So holding, let me get ready to rotate to one of my take profit accounts. rotate. All right, so I'm done trading my Tradeify fundeds for the day. Just under, or right at around $500 for the day with Tradeify. So quick little 20 minutes. We'll take that. Let's see if we get a flag. We got those wicks on those candles, so sellers are trying to step in. So be careful, everyone. Don't get chopped up today. It's a no news Monday. So
no news Monday.
There's the sellers once again coming back to this level. That's why I was not trying to hold those trades for the long. All right. Bear stepping in. Let's see if we build out a nice flag. All for it at this point. Oof, right into that 15-minute range right there. Be careful, everyone.
Don't diddle when it gets to the middle.
Yeah, we're not diddling in the middle today. Let's see if we get the follow through on with the bulls pushing here. I'm not a fan of this area, this 940 area, because we pop up and then it starts chopping.
Four-hour candle's about to close.
Okay. Right back in the same area I said earlier I did not like.
Well, maybe you should give it a chance, and not instead of not liking it, maybe you just don't understand it.
Nah, I'm gonna get ready to close this one. If we don't break through, I'm just gonna close this one. Live to fight another day on this account.
Dun, 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 dun.
Probably the longest trade.
Oh, you're in a trade right now?
Yeah, I've been in a trade. No, we're not. Don't like that consolidation.
VWAP is at what, 870, right?
VWAP is currently down at.
I have 869 on mine.
Yep, 870 on mine. 870.
We're well above that.
Oh yeah, well above the VWAP, well above the 21 EMA currently, well above the close from Friday as well.
So when it's above that 21 EMA, that means it's on the up. It means it's going up. Correct?
Not necessarily.
Okay.
But normally when we're above the 21 and the VWAP, that's a good sign for the market trying to push up.
Well, it looks like it's back up there now.
And then we have the pivot point in there at 892 as well.
Ooh. Okay. Looks like it wants to shoot. It'll probably do a little retrace and then shoot back up.
Good night.
Man, I thought it was gonna shoot up, Duane.
I thought so too. That's why I held it still.
That's what I saw.
But right back to that 940 level, which I don't like. I don't like that level right now. And I should have just closed this trade when I saw the $200, but I was being greedy.
You're gonna go touch that EMA.
That 925. It look like it wants to touch.
I want this to go up.
Listen, I've been sitting in this trade for a minute now, over like the past like 7-8 minutes. So you and me both, we both want to go up right now, but beggars can't be choosers.
Looks like it wants to touch that 24.
If it touches I believe if it touches the EMA, the 9 on the on the 5, I think it'll go up. Because the 15 way too far down on the 5 minutes.
4, 7.
It'll touch it and probably hopefully go up.
It should.
Yeah, I think so.
I'm not touching it till either we get above 959 or honestly below the 21. Till then, I'm holding.
It just created a bottom wick for the 4-hour candle, so to me that shows like it's just already, it might push up.
Yeah. I just switched over to this growth account for Tradeify. not willing to risk my fundeds with the action we're currently getting here. I want to see a flag, some type of move here. Trade these growth accounts, and then I'll probably switch over to Apex because I have a couple 150K accounts that I need to pass. So welcome to the YouTube stream for whoever's over there. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're staying safe in the markets in this choppy action this morning.
Staying away from it.
Yeah, this action, man. Or lack of action, I should say. Super tight in this area. Craziness today, gentlemen, for me. That was not a funded account. That's one of my growth evals with Tradeify. I've already traded some of my Tradeify fundeds this morning, and with the current action we're getting, I'm not risking them today. Well, I've already put the money in the account, so I'm not concerned with that one. 152. But welcome to the stream, everyone over there on YouTube. Doing a special giveaway. So if you guys want to join the Legacy Wealth Society's private trading community, normally it costs some money, but this week, since we crossed over 50,000 views on YouTube, I'm giving 20 slots away for free. So if you're interested, you want to join, say me in the chat, and I will gladly say the code so you could go over to the website and gain access to the best community that we're building for trading. So right in that 940 area, not touching it. Look at these wicks on these candles. Like, I'm looking at my 2 minutes, it's just stupid. Not worth it at this point.
Ooh, man. Yeah, look at that wick.
honestly want to get above that 9.
59.
Well, millionaire, you're already in the community, so I'm not going to say the code for you. Welcome to the YouTube stream. Welcome. Giving away 20 free memberships to the Legacy Wealth Society trading community today. Well, this week. So if you want to join, just say me in the chat and I'll say it. Don't worry about the SG millionaire. He's already part of the community, so I'm not saying the code for him. But if you want to join a community where traders are winning each and every day, 1 membership for each hand. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. We're waiting for a move here because the way the market's moving right now, it's just chopping.
Grooving. Everybody's grooving.
Is it well above that 15-minute range too?
We are above, but that little move right there, like that's why I don't like it today. Because we have no news. And it's doing weird stuff like that. I may sit on my hands here in a minute.
That's what I've been doing.
Because there's no reason to get chopped up right now. No reason to get chopped up.
I've been on the sim lately, to be honest.
Well, the market hasn't really been all that great to be trading. So anything to preserve your accounts, do it.
I'm well above. I did pretty good earlier, but on the sim, I'm well above $3,000 on the sim right now.
Okay, that's awesome.
We're gonna go down.
Go down.
The damn. No, you want to go. Test. Bro, you in the money, Duane.
We are, but
Woo!
what's up, Thomas K? Welcome, sir.
Wanna go up, up, oh.
Giving away today. Well, this week I'm giving away 20 free memberships to our trading community. Thank you, sir. Thank you. And if you want to join Thomas K, more than welcome to let you join our community. Those are the other voices here on the stream. We're building a trading community where people... Oh, very nice. Are you trading the NQ or are you trading something else? Nice. Yep, that's the only thing we
like
trade for the community. What was that, G?
Y'all see that mini bull flag printing up?
We may be building one on this 5-minute.
Right.
Oh, that's awesome, man. How long have you been trading for? Mohammed, honestly, I haven't even looked at it. So really no thoughts. I've been focused on the NQ. Um, okay, nice. That's awesome. Um, well, Thomas, if you've been trading for 6 years and 3 years profitable, you should definitely join the community because I'm giving 20 free slots away this week. Why not, right? I've been trading now for a year. I tried trading a couple years back, but didn't go the way I wanted. Lost like 10K. Then last year I picked it back up after having a couple years off. And so it's my first full year being consistent. And I'm in this 85 to 90% win rate as well. So we'll take it. Looking at this 2-minute, I just don't like this action, to be honest with you guys. Like, this action today has not made me feel the warm and fuzzies today. I just don't know. I don't like it. It's a no news Monday. So it's one of those things where, yeah. That's how I feel. That's how I'm feeling today. No, not two people speaking at the same time. So you guys can actually hear and listen into my trading community, the Legacy Wealth Society. So any other voices you hear on stream other than my own, those are members of the community where we talk back and forth.
But you also are a pretty good ventriloquist too, so you make other voices.
That is true. I could be making up other voices, you know. Well, if you guys want to join the community, the code is LWS. Click the link in the bio of my YouTube channel here, and that'll give you complete access, 100% free. Normally charging $100 a month for it. We just started building it, so by all means, if you want to join, come on. Only if you're serious about trading. And you gotta be good peoples. If you're not good peoples, we'll have to kick you out the group. And Steve would then say, "Get out of here, sucker." You know what I'm saying? One of those.
Get out of here, sucker! Jive ass honking. Get out of here.
Hopefully tomorrow we get some better movement.
Feels like Monday probably won't be the day to trade then.
Well, we have news tomorrow coming out. So we'll see. Let me rotate to another account. Oh, waiting for this to load. I want to trade my 150K accounts. Just waiting for this platform to load so I can see which ones are my 150Ks. Alright, that one. Take that.
Oh man, going low.
But how low can you go?
Alright, there we go.
Going pretty low. But
Well, we didn't go that low. We're back in the 940s, the area that
You like?
you should. I do not like it.
he doesn't like.
Far from it. I do not like the 940s. Either we push below the 940s and maybe I'll take a scalp on with the momentum here. But I am not trying to be in the 940s. The 940s is complete chop. So it's not worth it.
937?
Yeah, gentlemen. Wow.
We're back in the 15-minute range now.
Well, for the YouTube stream, welcome. For the new people that just jumped on over there, welcome. You guys are a fly on the wall inside the Legacy Wealth Society. The other voices you hear, no, I'm not talking myself. Those are members of the community that are alive with me.
We're alive. We are alive.
Honestly, we're just waiting for a move here. Don't take a trade in the 940s.
Look,
You don't-
it's a 50% chance it'll go up, but there's only a 10% chance of that.
Let's see. Let me make that smaller.
Once we get away from the 40s.
Yeah, well, I want to get below that 40 because I'll take the short to the 21 EMA. Well, I want to see the follow through in order to take the short.
938, 939.
930.
Back in the 940s. Nope.
Nope.
I'm telling you, don't take any trades in the 940s, gentlemen. It's not worth it, guys.
I'll wait till it goes well under the 30s. Once it gets to like the 30s.
No, I want to get to like 937.
Oh,
There you go.
Well, there you go. Well,
They did it for a second. But we're at 934 is the EMA, so
210 right there. Because I knew that EMA was coming. All right, back to that high of that 15-minute range right there. Wow, into the 15-minute range.
let's motherfucking go. That's $1,000 right there, baby. Let's fucking go.
Let's go, G. Go ahead, boy.
Let's go.
Good job, G. Good job.
I'm looking, I'm like, yo, what the fuck what's to do? Let's go. Done with that. Done
Well,
with
we're
it.
waterfalling. We're waterfalling.
We're going to the next one, the next account. All right, that's enough for the data count. That's 1,000 right there.
Good job, sir.
Ooh, I'm not gonna lie, I got in at a good time too, real good time. Now it wants to look like it's going back up now.
they're building out that flag.
It's gonna come back down. It's come back down. Watch it touch that 39 and shoot right back down.
Let me put that some more music on once I can look at my other
maybe
screen
you could
here.
put on, I have a request, man. You know, like G just scored $1 grand. So how about you put on his song?
Put on G song.
Yeah, all
Yeah.
right. Yo, I listen. That was my first trade, actual first trade. I was just sitting patiently waiting. I'm like, dang. Soon as
Right.
Duane said, once it starts, like once it got to that 30s, that around those 30s, I traded. Boom, and then I
Yep.
was just looking. It was just resisting, and it just doop, doop, kept dropping.
Dropping.
That's good, G. Congrats.
Thank you, man. Oh man, thank you.
I know that one felt good, sir. I know that one felt good.
Yes. Just sit and patiently wait on another one. That's it. Okay, like the 940s, 950s.
I'm pushing too hard today. Pushing way too hard.
You got to just get that look. Look at that market.
I don't even want to look at the market right now because I already made the money in those fundeds, but I'm like, I'm not feeling it. Not feeling it. Not gonna lie.
Looks like it's gonna go up to the 60s. Kind of looks like it. It's over the EMA too. That 21, right?
We're above that 21 EMA, above the 15-minute range here.
Okay.
But we got push. I would say all the way up to 972 level.
75. That's what I see on mine.
Yeah. That was my original first target outside of the 15-minute range.
Going up, baby. Up. I know it's gonna retrace. It's gonna do a little retrace and then try to go back down, shoot back up again. But clearly, like you said, make sure you stay away from the 40s, the 40 area.
Yeah.
Sounds like the 80s rap scene. Now get me moved to 40 and I start trading.
Ooh. Well, Thomas, I will gladly accept you to the community there.
I love when Steve says something. He's always like referencing or sucker. Yo, Steve, I was quiet, but you made me laugh.
Well, something he's got to have in his market is nutty right now.
If we get to that 972 level, we could potentially push, but we gotta get to that level.
Push for a sell or buy?
No, if we get above that 972, I'll be able to tell you the next target, but can't do that till we get up there to that 972.
972. It says 975 on mine. 975. Well, it looks like it's gonna do it. Like a little reset has gone a little bit. Right back up.
The price action today hasn't been ideal, but it's moving. It's moving for the most part. G, make sure you put your stuff in the discussion.
I will. I took a picture of it already.
Okay.
Matter of fact, you can just put it in there now.
Yes, sir. You definitely have to be patient, Thomas, because that's the only way to make money trading. Have to be patient.
You literally have to wait. You have to wait.
Today I've kind of felt like I've been pushing a little bit too hard. I don't know if it's because I hit the gym this morning. I gotta figure it out. I don't know if I need to eat something, but I feel like slightly antsy when I trade after working out. It's weird. Thomas, I did see you join the community. I'll be able to get you added here in a few minutes because we still have to approve you. But that's me clicking a button, so you're good. waiting for a flag here. Honestly, waiting for anything right now.
Waiting.
Hey, patience is the key, fellas.
That's
Patience
right.
is the key. So right now we don't want to be in that I guess in that 50, 60 range because that's where it's consolidating at.
Honestly, I want to break above that 972.
Yeah. I guess once it gets above that 70, we'll see.
Muhammad, if you want to join the community, there's a link in the bio. Click that link and type for the code LWS. That'll give you free entry.
Oh, it's going lower. 960. Oh. It's well above the 21 EMA, right?
We are above that 21 EMA. That's at 943-ish area.
Yep.
So 943 for that 21. Waiting for a bull flag, something. I'm waiting for something here.
Looking on that 2 minutes, looking like
Yep. I'm just waiting.
A bear. Well, it looks like nothing's forming just yet, but starting off, when that candle's done, we'll see what the next candle does.
Just patiently waiting, just like Thomas. You know what I'm saying? We're patiently waiting like Thomas today. Now, we always try to wait. We try waiting that till 9:45. Let the market settle. Thomas, I didn't skip the gym today. I skipped last week. I messed up my knee. I tweaked it. So I was out the gym for the week. And now I'm gonna have to I want to see a sports therapist or something because my knee has been like, I messed it up like a year back. And ever since then, it's never been the same.
So are you going to tell them about your dancing accident, Mr. Saturday Night Fever?
Well, actually, I'm not going to talk about the Saturday Night Fever dance. I can't do that on this stream. That'll be tomorrow. So tune in tomorrow to hear that story.
Hey, look, it's getting back to the 40s like you like.
Oh, that's why, as you can see, I'm not touching it because that 40 level, that 40 area is just not feeling it. Yes, most likely, but I need some more than that, man. And I only say that only because for me personally, I dealt with some sports injuries, everything like that. And ever since then, my knees, stuff like that, were never really the same. But we'll see. Possibly. I take some multivitamins, but I gotta probably look to see exactly what's in them, huh? Thomas, just so you know, and I know Muhammad, you're joining as well. In the community, you'll actually be able to talk with everyone as well on the streams, because I put the community together because when I was learning how to trade, trying to figure out my strategy and the strategy we use for the community as well, what I realized is it's very lonely learning how to trade and just trading in general. When you don't have people you could talk to about the same thing you're doing, it sometimes could get frustrating, I would say. So that's why we put the community together, so you could be around like-minded individuals trying to succeed with trading, and everyone in the community loves it. So, well, I don't know. Some of you guys love it, right? Maybe. Yes, no, maybe so.
I love it.
We all do.
I do. I love it. Hey, listen, I come in here. I come in every day. It doesn't matter. I'm coming.
That's right.
It's getting me better from where I was before and where I'm at now.
Hey, that's what it's about, though. Growing.
Everybody bounces off ideas. and we all come to a good conclusion.
Yep.
Afterwards.
Yes.
I think the best one for me, I would probably say, is the fact that we're able to have different opinions, everything like that, and different views on the market as well. And we all can take it in and be like, huh, is that what it is? Is it not? But we all can see other people's perspective. So when G calls out a bear flag or C calls out a bull flag, you know, I'm sitting there, I may not even be looking at that screen, and you guys call it out so I can see it. You know what I'm saying? So I don't miss out on a potential trade. You know, that's why I love it. Dave, you good over there?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. I'm just watching the Zoom.
Okay, you quiet, man. We want to hear your voice too, you know?
Nah, yeah, you're right. You're right. I'm just trying to get back into it.
I agree, Thomas. I agree. I'm definitely going to get everything checked.
Hey, Dwayne.
Yes, sir.
Your losses and wins are projected throughout at the end of the day or as you go along.
On
So,
Tradeify?
like, let's say, for example, maybe I'm. Let me clarify. So let's say I jump in, right, and I'm like,
Yeah.
all right. I noticed that I'm $100 in, right, and it went negative my way. I'm like, shit. I realized it's the opposite direction. Let me get out and go back in. Does that $100 right before the day closes? Does it count against you, or does it count only at the end of the day?
Well, you're on your funded, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's end of day drawdown on your funded account. But with that being said, I always recommend acting like it's an intraday.
No, for sure. But I just want to know, like, if it's gonna be, as you go along, like, you're $100 negative already, or once you close out, at the end of the day, then it's $100 negative. That's what I wanted to know.
Yeah. I keep an eye on my balances, just so that way I know exactly where I'm at every time before I enter a trade. You know what I'm saying? So for me, I know you're on TradingView trading. Just check your balance or just keep your trading journal open.
Yeah, I have it open.
Thomas, we trade with a couple. We trade with Tradeify, Funding Ticks. Then I trade with Tradeify, Funding Ticks, Apex, and Take Profit Trader. Use code LWS on Tradeify and Legacy on Funding Ticks. Had throw that plug in there. But yeah, I'm definitely going to do some physical therapy just because I want to get the body like honed in and dialed in perfectly. All right, let's see. I'm seeing a bear flag on that 2 minute, and there's the momentum confirming. Want to see that follow through? If not, I'll just close out. Okay. With I've never traded with Top Step. I know a couple people personally that actually trade with them. I do trade with Take Profit Trader. I love them as well. Take
Yeah,
Profit
I got a
Trader.
friend that he trades Top Step.
Okay.
He said it's pretty good.
Yeah. I like my favorite two right now is Tradeify and Take Profit because they're so quick on the payouts. Um, so that's why I'll always have Take Profit accounts and Tradeify accounts. Have you gotten payouts with Top Step and Take TPT? Yeah, I'll look into the 80 EMA. I've only used the 21 and the VWAP. But the screen that you guys are seeing, that's not all of my stuff. I have another screen that I have more stuff on. Okay. Yeah, TPT is good, but you've been trading long enough as well where you've been able to hone in the craft, I'll say. I don't recommend TPT for beginner traders only because if you're not locked in on your strategy, you're going to blow the account very easily. Okay. What platform are you trading on? How's everyone feeling? Is everyone up? Are we down? Or are we all around today?
We're just chilling like a villain. Man, just I'm seeing the EMA, I'm seeing everything, I'm seeing the 40s. Tonight it's gonna get down to the 40s.
Yep, not the area I want to be in. Let me.
I know, but you know, it's like
So this, we just literally been in this zone.
Well, look at, I mean.
Yeah, I'm not feeling it. Not feeling
Well,
it.
look at how tight we're working. I mean, there's been no travel.
Oh. For me personally, I'm not trying to trade in the range because that's where I always get chopped up. Been doing this long enough to know when not to trade the range.
Lordy, we stay away from the 40.
Okay. Are you using Tradeivate to place your trades, or are you on something else?
Lordy, we stay away from the 40.
Hey, man.
Oh, we're back in the 40s. Crazy.
Yeah, you didn't hear Steve say, Lordy, we stay away from the 40?
I did not hear that. I did not.
Well, when you got to get your ears checked, sucker.
Okay.
You're gonna make me choke on my pineapple.
Yeah, one of the guys in the community, Moose, he trades on TradingView. I only trade on Tradeivate when I'm traveling, since their stuff is web-based. But I'm mainly trading on NinjaTrader currently. But I do like Tradeivate stuff. But I have my Renko bars. The look of them is better on Ninja than on Tradeivate, so that's why I keep the Ninja. Well, if we're just going to be in this range, we'll give it to like 11, 15 tops. Then I'm gonna get off because no reason to push it. We're going for that 2K payout from Tradeify for Friday of this week. Just got a payout over the weekend from them as well, so we'll definitely take it. I'm trying to make October the best payout month ever. That's my goal. That's my goal. Because last month alone, with the 6K denied by Apex, I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna make them really pay this month, since I learned that not secret rule, but the rule that they have, but they don't tell people. That's what I'll say. It's not a secret, but they're going to pay a lot this month now that I know it.
Y'all see that bull flag kind of printing on the 2 minute?
I'm waiting.
Y'all see it? The bull flag on the 2 minute?
My bad. I was looking at the community stuff real quick. On the 2 minute, yes, but we have that 21 EMA right below us. So we gotta push through that 21 EMA right there to take us lower. And until we get below that 21 EMA, and out of the 40s, there's nothing even touched, to be real. But looking at the 5 minute, let's just see what we get here.
Bring it, if it's painter safe, bring some of it home.
Literally just sitting in the middle of this range right now. Dead in the center of it. Let's see what we get. Not trying to trade in this range. Like, too many bad experiences trading the range. And when there's no real momentum, since we're using momentum for our trades, that means there's really no trades to take. Sadly.
Or happily. Having a system that works is better than like shooting from the hip.
100%. Let's see. Trying to be patient here. This is one of those days when you literally feel like you're watching paint dry. It's so crazy just looking at these candles of how we haven't gone anywhere. It's like wow. Wow. That's all I got is wow.
That's the more than I could say.
I think momentum's dying.
Oh, it's been dead. It's already been dead, sir.
Steve, what is it, Steve? You're watching paint dry?
That's it.
$11 I'm out of here.
Same here. Go and give it another 10 minutes, and if we don't get any movement,
We're
Then
going
we
back
should-
to the 40s just for you. Playing your greatest hits from the 20s, 30s, and 40s. Duane Broom at 5:90 a.m.
horrible. On the 2-minute, I do see like a good side. I can't even say it because we're in this range. Like I want to tell myself I see a bear flag that's built out here with structure, but we're just chopping.
Dun.
I want to see like some type of big move so I could just go crazy. 17 contracts and call it a day already. You know? Like, man.
Did I hear that correctly? 17?
If we had okay, so this account's a 150K account with APAC.
Oh, okay.
And I could trade up to
Okay,
17 contracts.
I get it.
But I gotta pass this eval. I gotta put $9,000 in it to pass the eval.
So what's the most you made so far on it?
$200.
Dwayne said $200.
He's only 8,800 to go.
Yeah, that's
He's
it.
almost there. He's almost there.
No, almost there.
No. Because like I said, I'm done trading my funded stuff today. Like I'm done trading those bad boys. In this type of movement, there's not risking them. So we gotta push. I got a line on my other chart here that we gotta push below. I don't want to take it until we get out of the 40s. Like that's what I'm waiting on. We may get a little bit more momentum closer to 11 here, but I'm getting tired of these no news Mondays, I must say. All right, starting to move slightly, barely. All right.
Order today, $40.99. 3 payments of $40.99. But wait, there's more. More.
I guess. How much was that, Duane?
Just like $600 or just under that.
Something, you know, it was just 6 something. 6,000, 6 grand.
Back
you know.
into that 15-minute range.
Don't diddle in the 15.
I remember, like you said, once it gets around 11, it's gonna start dropping, and woo, that's it.
Well, we should start getting a little bit more momentum.
I think it's gonna make it. I think it's gonna make its way up or keep going down.
Yeah, you know, truer words are never spoken, Batman. It's either gonna go up or down.
It's gonna like try to go up a little bit. Damn, it was down.
Get on down. Two and a half minutes till 11 o'clock. Ooh.
I'm thinking about adding to the community, probably like a workout session, something where we could post our like daily workouts, everything like that.
That's it.
Keep everyone on the straight and narrow. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, because I mean the thing is that's discipline. Trading's discipline.
Yep. Less than 2 minutes now. Less than 2 minutes for 11 o'clock here.
think it's gonna go up. What y'all think?
I feel like we just built another bear flag on that 1 minute. Want to see a flag on like one of the higher time frames, to be honest. But that's just me.
Okay.
Want to see if we get the follow through.
You want your A++, but you know you'll take a waterfall too, okay?
Oh, we'll always take a waterfall.
It's like two already happened so far. So trust me, I'm seeing the momentum going up. That's what I'm waiting for.
Well, we're going to see. Patiently waiting here. Patiently waiting.
It's been the seller's been taking over for the past couple minutes now. So I feel like the bulls should step in.
Well, let's see what we get. We're hanging out right around this high for this 15-minute range from open today. Welcome to the stream for the people over on the YouTube stream. Giving away free spots in the community this week. We have 19 left. So if you want to join a trading community that's growing and thriving and winning each and every day, say me in the chat and I'll tell you the code so you can go get it on the good stuff. I'll say that. Let's see if we build out a flag.
A potential bull flag at that.
11 a.m. candle just opened. Sheesh.
Good call out, sir.
And it's on green, right?
Yeah, right now it's bullish.
Like I said, watch it shoot up. It may go up to the 44s, 46. Trace a little bit, and then probably shoot back up.
I'll probably give it another 5 to 10 minutes here, gentlemen, and then I'm going to be getting off. It's been a pleasure getting with you guys today. I love getting on streams. I was itching over the weekend. I can't wait till Monday morning, talk to everyone, grow with everyone, and we keep it moving. I see a bear flag printing here.
On the web.
On the 2 minute, on the 1 minute, waiting for that 5 minute. Want to see the confirmation with the momentum here.
Okay.
Buyer stepped in right there.
Bring it up to that EMA level.
They're trying. They're trying.
Where are your doodles, sir?
There hasn't been anything to doodle.
I know, but I need you to stay busy so you don't get hungry.
No, this is what I was looking at right here.
Yeah, I have that one.
Just want to see the follow through. Five more minutes and I'm getting off. Yeah, as soon as I get off, that's when the market is going to move for you guys. So if you haven't caught a move yet, just wait till I get off and the move's going to happen.
Yeah, I'm about to get off in a minute too.
Yep. All right. Just pushed into the 15-minute range again.
The 15 minutes strange, you mean? This is weird.
So now I only need under $8,000 now to pass this 150K account. Hit that, broke into that 15-minute range and then popped it right back up there.
Yeah, look at that 1 minute candle, man. That's hilarious. That wick on it.
Yep.
Doji.
Are we getting ready to waterfall? Breaking the line on that 5-minute chart. I did not get filled there. Let's go. Let's punch through here. Try and make $1 or $2. Close out of that. We're not getting the full punch. I'm not trying to risk it. Alrighty. Well, I think that's going to be it for me. That we got that bear flag paying out somewhat slowly on the 5-minute chart there.
All right, guys. I think I'm going.
Yeah,
All right,
same
later,
here.
Moose.
Bye, guys.
Hey, later, David. Later, G.
I took another trade. I saw the momentum. I had to grab another $200 right there. But other than that,
Hey, I
later,
made 320.
everyone.
I made 320.
Hey, we'll take it. We'll take it.
I'll do it. Hey, Dwayne, I jumped in when you got. I never got out. I was
Okay.
saying, Dwayne, I thought you was hearing me, but I was on mute. I was saying, Dwayne, why did you get out? Why did you get out?
Because we've been trading this range. I don't like being in ranges.
Right.
As we come back up here, or the bulls trying to push that price back up. So, all right, gentlemen, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Yep.
Fresh,
Good.
ready to go. Let's make some more money tomorrow. That's it.
All right, see you guys tomorrow.
All right, guys.
All right, later on.
Well, for the people that tune in on YouTube, appreciate you tuning in. I will see you guys tomorrow. Be blessed.